morning students. Welcome to today's recorded class. In this class, we will revise the concept of addition of time and subtraction of time. Okay. Now you all know that, the simple formulas, that is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Correct? These three are the basic formulas of this chapter. We can find many more formulas from these three formulas itself. Okay. Now, keeping these three formulas in mind, we are going to add time. Suppose I give you a question. Add 5 minutes 10 seconds and 4 minutes 40 seconds. Now when you get such question, what you do, you write the numbers properly based on their units. That means 5 minutes 10 seconds plus, and below this minutes you have to write whatever number is there for minutes only. You can't put seconds here. So we'll put 4 minutes 40 seconds. Correct? Now simply you add it up. What you get? 50 seconds 9 minutes. Correct? Your answer is 9 minutes 50 seconds. Okay? This is very simple. But had it been a different question to you, I mean the same numbers but little different. For example, 5 minutes 10 seconds and 4 minutes 50 seconds. Correct? As usual, we are going to plot these questions properly column wise. That means 5 minutes 10 seconds, then 4 minutes 50 seconds. Correct? I am going to add this up. If I add this, what I get here? 60 seconds and 9 minutes. Correct? But what do you see? This 60 seconds is nothing but 1 minute. Yes or no? We already know 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So this 1 minute I am going to add it up with 9 minutes. So now my answer is not 9 minutes 60 seconds. My answer will be 10 minutes directly. 10 minutes. What I have done? I have added this 1 minute with this 9 minutes and now my answer is 10 minutes. So always remember to find such kind of thing where you have to add it up with the next part of the solution. If those things match with the formula, then you are going to add it up. Okay. Now we will do one more example. Now suppose you get a question, add 9 hours 45 minutes and 3 hours 30 minutes. Correct? So now what I will do, I will plot it properly. 9 hours 45 minutes, then 3 hours 30 minutes. Correct? Now I am going to add this up. If I add it, I get 75 minutes here and here 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 hours. Now students, see, in this part what I know is it has exceeded 60 minutes. exceeded 60 minutes. Now I know 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Yes or no? So from 75 we are going to subtract 60. If I subtract 60 minutes from here, that means 75 minus 60 is nothing but 15 more minutes. Correct? So these 60 minutes, now 60 plus 15 minutes is giving you 75 minutes. Yes or no? So these 60 minutes I am going to add it up with 12, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So this 60 minutes I am going to add it up with 12. Now my 12 hours become 13 hours, and what is left? 60 is gone. I have added it up here. So what is remaining? 15. So 13 hours 15 minutes. Okay. In this way you are going to use the formulas while adding time. Okay, while adding time. Now same thing you can apply it in case of subtraction. Suppose if I give you a question, subtract 2 minutes 25 seconds from 7 minutes 15 seconds. Correct? Now when there is from mentioned here, that means this particular number should be written on the top. That means 7 minutes 15 seconds minus 2 minutes 25 seconds. Correct? Now what do you see here? 5 minus 5 0, 1 you cannot subtract it from 2. So you can take a carry here, this becomes 6, this becomes 11. So 11 minus 2 is nothing but 9. 90 and this becomes 4. Correct? Now as we have studied before that you can convert these 60 seconds into minutes, and the remaining you have to write it down. Okay? Now students, in this way you are going to subtract and add time. I hope this is clear. We will perform few more questions based on subtraction properly. Okay? Thank you so much.